Network services. Network services refer to the various components and technologies that enable communication and connectivity between devices and systems within a network. These services facilitate the exchange of data, resources, and information among network devices. Here are some common network services. These are just a few examples of network services. There are many other specialized services and protocols that serve specific purposes in networking, such as SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, SSH, Secure Shell, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and many more. 1. Network Infrastructure Services. Network infrastructure services refer to the foundational components and technologies essential for a computer network's operation and connectivity. These services provide the underlying infrastructure and support for network operations. Here are some common network infrastructure services. 1. Network switching. Network switches are devices that connect multiple devices within a local area network, LAN. They use MAC addresses to forward data packets to the appropriate destination devices within the network. 2. Routing. Routers are devices that connect different networks and facilitate the transfer of data packets between them. They use routing protocols to determine the most efficient paths for data transmission. 3. Wireless access points. WAPs enable wireless connectivity by providing access to a wired network for devices such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets. They serve as a bridge between wired and wireless networks. 4. Network cabling. Cabling infrastructure, such as Ethernet cables, fiber optic cables, or wireless technologies, is essential for establishing physical connections between network devices. It ensures reliable and high-speed data transmission. 5. Network security. Network security services protect the network infrastructure from unauthorized access, data breaches, and malicious activities. This includes measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, virtual private networks, VPNs, and encryption. 6. Network monitoring and management. Monitoring services track the performance and health of network devices, identify potential issues, and provide insights for troubleshooting. Management services include configuration, provisioning, and administration of network resources. These network infrastructure services form the backbone of a network, enabling connectivity, data transfer, security, and efficient management of network resources. 2. Network services and resources. Network services and resources are crucial components that enable communication, data sharing, and resource utilization within a networked environment. They provide various functionalities and capabilities to users and devices connected to the network. Here are some common network services and resources. 1. File sharing. Network file sharing allows users to share files and folders across the network. It enables collaboration and easy access to shared resources, promoting efficient workflows and data exchange. 2. Print services. Network print services enable users to share printers and print documents from any device connected to the network. It eliminates the need for individual printers and enhances printing efficiency. 3. Email services. Email services facilitate the exchange of electronic messages between users within a network or across different networks. They typically use protocols such as SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, for sending emails, and POP3, Post Office Protocol, or IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, for retrieving emails. These services and resources collectively form the infrastructure and capabilities that support communication, data sharing, collaboration, and resource utilization within a networked environment.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.